Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make badges for new students to the school. So you're going to log into Clever and you're going to log in as a school lead. You're going to click on Dashboard and then Badges. And then if there were new students, you would just download there under New. There's no new students right now, so I'm just going to download all of them. Those badges will download eventually. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up that file and we're going to find a QR code and we're going to paste it into our template here. I've made this template. This is the same template that will be used for the labels, and the labels are Avery 22806. And all we're going to do is we're going to paste in a QR code there for the label that you want. So let's take a look, see if that's downloaded. It has. I'm going to open this up. And let's say I know the kid. If it's a new student, it'll be significantly less difficult to find this. So I'm just going to open this up. And what we're going to find is student PNGS. It's a type of file. We're going to open that. And we're going to pretend that it was this kid. So we're going to simply right click, copy that QR code, come back to my Word template, and then paste that thing in there. And you'll notice it's a little bit too big for the box, so just simply adjust it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like so. You can even leave room for some text, so you can enter a name. You want to maybe move that up a little bit. Oops. Shrink it down a little bit so my name just barely fits on there, something like that. And then away you go. So if you have a sheet of labels and the top left one is used up, you can just simply, move that over, move it over, and so you don't waste a bunch of labels that way. Hope that helps. You can print from there. Let me know if you have questions.